mother was being treated by another physician, and it was discovered that she had a skin cancer growing inside of her nose, which is a very unusual place for that to happen. Per the diagnosis, it was determined that she was going to have to undergo a forehead flap procedure to reconstruct the side of her nostril, which was removed as a result of the cancer. So that's a very traumatic experience in itself for someone to go through, and it's a major surgery. We hadn't been prepared for that. We don't know anyone who'd ever had that surgery. We didn't have anybody to walk us through it. We were being treated by another physician, and the surgery was done on a Friday, and unfortunately there were complications. And over the weekend, Dr. Shaw was the doctor on call, and it meant the world to me to hear a live voice on the phone when I called for help. He was very warm and inviting, and he actually had us come up to his office on Sunday afternoon where he met with her in person. And the bedside manner that he demonstrated was extraordinary. So that experience with Dr. Shaw helped us decide right away that we wanted to transition our care to him. So he finished the procedure from there on out. And every step of the way, he was very responsive. His staff was wonderful. He answered all questions. So we're very grateful that he was there. I'm sorry that an emergency had to happen after the surgery, but if it had to happen, I wouldn't want anyone other than Dr. Shaw to be on call. And his bedside manner means the world, because people can have all the medical knowledge in the world, but if you aren't there for a person going through this with them, it's not just something that you're doing to them. And this may be your 1,000th procedure, but it's your patient's first procedure. And I think it's important for doctors to remember that, and Dr. Shaw always seemed to remember that and always made us feel very welcome in his office, and we always knew that if there was anything we needed, we would be able to contact him and he would be very responsive.